girl Toya B. I'm back with another video for you guys, and today we will be dyeing my hair. My wife is going to dye my hair. I know you see the thumbnail, you see the title down below. It's really not much to say. Just stay tuned, stay lit for the whole process, you know what I'm saying? So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will be doing a shout out at the end of this video, so stay tuned. And don't forget, like I said, have your post notifications on, that way you get notified whenever we drop a banger, you feel me? So let's get it, let go. Alright, y'all, so as you can see, your girl Toya B is back in the building, and she's getting ready to get her hair interlocked. Alright, I'm gonna stop talking in third person now. Alright, y'all, so I got my beautiful wife behind me right now. She getting ready to dye this bird nest in the back of my hair, son. Son, listen, let me tell y'all a quick story. So back in August, when me and Stephanie got married, you feel me? I went to go get my hair interlocked because everybody told me, go get your hair interlocked. You always doing your own hair. Alright, bet. Go get my hair interlocked. Spent about $130. Alright, so I went to go turn the music up. But yeah, man, I spent about $130 inside of there to go get my hair interlocked. Mind you, this is a Walmart salon, son. So I went to go get my hair interlocked because this lady said that she can do dreads. I bet. Let me go get my hair done. Boom. Bow. Get my hair done, son. I ain't gonna lie, she tightly twisted my dreads. Like, she OD tightly twisted my dreads to the point where at the top of the dreads, like, I had to loosen them some because that's how tight they was, you feel me? So that's my story, and she didn't interlock my hair, and I will never go to a salon again to get my hair interlocked. I'll just figure out a way to do it myself. Alright, y'all, so listen, man, enough of that. So Stephanie is getting ready. Well, as you can see, she's already started doing the dye process. But look, so she takes it, she squeezes it, and then she starts to massage my dreads. This is the best way that we do it, you know what I'm saying? Or should I say that she does it, because it just basically gets all your dreads, you know what I'm saying? Like, you ain't got to worry about if all your dreads are getting got or not, you know what I'm saying? So just take them piece by piece, massage the dye within the dreads, you know what I'm saying? And you just do that all over the head, you feel me? From the back to the top, you feel me? The back of my hair, I barely really pay attention to the back of my hair. Alright, so yeah, man, like I was telling y'all before, man, I pay attention to the top of my hair, being that I don't wear a hat at work. So with that being said, I have to maintain my hair. So it's a quick hairstyle, quick, easy way to do your hair is just simply do the front of the hair, leave the back alone, especially if you don't want to spend hours doing your hair. Just leave the back alone and do the front. Bada bing, bada boom. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to go ahead and start speeding this up because y'all basically already know how this go. She's going to continue to place the dye in my hair on that side and the other side. And whenever she's putting that big old plastic bag on the top of my head, I will come back to you guys. Alright, let go. You guys, so drum roll, and the post notification shout out goes to Queen_TT. Yes, sir. Alright, man. So I seen that Queen_TT has been commenting on our videos, and also I want to go ahead and give an extra shout out to Goody Smarts. I also seen that you've been commenting on our videos as well. You guys have been showing us love. You guys have been showing us some support, and we appreciate that. So this is our way of thanking you guys, you know what I'm saying? Also, I want to just go ahead and throw in there, follow us on TikTok. We be doing TikToks all the time, okay? Follow us on TikTok. The name is also going to be down in the description down below, okay? So with that being said, man, hope you guys finished watching this video. Hope you guys did not fast forward. And to enter into the post notification shout out, all you got to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow us on all of our social media, and yeah, man, just comment down below. Let's get it, let go. Alright, y'all, so I just got to throw this in here real quick. So Stephanie had used 2 bottles of dye on my hair. I don't know if y'all seen that in the beginning of the video, but I purchased 2 boxes, and obviously 2 boxes no longer work on my dreads. You feel what I'm saying? I now have to get 3 boxes. You feel me? If you can tell, if you can actually see, like, you can tell, you know what I'm saying, like, I needed more. So right now she's gonna go ahead and place this big old great bag on my head, and I see y'all in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so as you can see right now, she got your girl hooked up, you feel me? I got a garbage bag on my hair because my dreads are just too long to go inside of a grocery bag. So she got me hooked up, we got the dye in, and she said we're gonna let it sit for about a good 10 minutes or so. So with that being said, I will catch you guys in 10 minutes. Alright, you guys, so I am back, you know what I'm saying? I told you guys I'll be back in 10 minutes, but it actually took a little bit longer. I decided that we was gonna wash my hair, so my wife helped me wash my hair, you know what I'm saying? And right now I got conditioner in it, and then after I condition it, I am going to do a hot oil treatment. So right now I'm getting ready to go ahead and put the hot oil treatment into my head. As y'all see, man, look, just look at that bush back there, bro. Like, that is a lot of new growth, and I'm gonna make sure I take care of that new growth. So yeah, man, right now all I'm doing is putting the hot oil treatment into my hair right now, and yeah. Alright, so as y'all see, what I'm doing right now is just continuously working this hot oil treatment through my hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, I'm making sure I'm getting every inch of my dreads from the bottom to the top, from the top to the bottom. We get down to the nitty gritty. You know, I decided to do a hot oil treatment because definitely I felt like my hair had a little bit of damage. It is shedding more than what it normally used to shed, so I think I need to add some more oils and stuff to my hair. So this is why I'm giving myself a hot oil treatment, hoping to, you know, get that maintenance back in my hair, you feel me? So yeah, man, so I'm gonna continue to just massage this on out, you know, go through the scalp and let it do what it do. Whoop-de-woo. Alright, you guys, so this is the end results of my hair, and to be honest with you, quite frankly, I am digging the vibes. I'm digging the style. It's kind of like this like honey reddish blonde type thing. It's not too blonde, it's not too bright, it's not too dull, but right here it kind of looks like I don't even have my hair dyed. But as y'all see it's dyed. It's looking pretty good. I forgot what the real name of the dye is, but anyway, man, this is the end results of my hair right now. I do a quick style to my hair where I take two pieces of my hair from one side and the other side. I tie them together just like that. And to be honest with you, I'm out the door. That's a quick hairstyle for me. It's a quick hairstyle for anybody that's trying, you know, just be in and out the door. You know what I'm saying? Just have a style, but not really. This is it. You feel what I'm saying? Hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
Kulikita kata, kulikita kating, kulikita kata, salah kita kata. Hey, hey, oh! Stop. Wait a minute.
I dream about you when I sleep. You're the one.